Welcome to Ancient Wisdom Money Matters. Did you know there's a magical drink from the Caucasus Mountains? It's called Kefir. This ancient beverage has been cherished by the people of this region for countless generations. People there have enjoyed it for centuries. They believe it holds the secret to their vitality and well-being. Kefir is a fermented milk drink. The process involves adding kefir grains to milk, which then ferments over time, creating a unique and nutritious beverage. It's like a runny yogurt but thinner. Unlike yogurt, which is thick and creamy, kefir has a more liquid consistency, making it easy to drink. It has a slightly sour, tangy taste. This distinctive flavor comes from the fermentation process, which also enriches it with probiotics. Many people believe kefir is a gift from the gods. They revere it not just as a drink, but as a sacred elixir that brings health and happiness. They say it gives them long and healthy lives. The villagers attribute their longevity and robust health to their daily consumption of kefir, passing down this tradition through the ages. Kefir is made with special grains. These grains are not your typical grains like wheat or rice. They are unique and have a special role in the fermentation process, but they're not grains like wheat or rice. Instead, they are a combination of bacteria and yeast that work together in harmony. Kefir grains are tiny, cauliflower-like clusters. These clusters are packed with beneficial microorganisms that are essential for the fermentation process. These grains are a mix of bacteria and yeast. The bacteria and yeast work together to ferment the milk, transforming it into a nutritious beverage. They ferment the milk and create kefir. This fermentation process is what gives kefir its unique properties and health benefits. During fermentation, the milk sugar turns into lactic acid. This transformation is crucial as it not only preserves the milk, but also enhances its nutritional value. This gives kefir its unique sour taste. Fermentation also creates probiotics. Probiotics are live microorganisms that provide numerous health benefits when consumed. These are good bacteria that are great for your tummy. They help maintain a healthy balance of gut flora, improve digestion, and boost your immune system. So, next time you enjoy a glass of kefir, remember the tiny workers behind its big benefits. Kefir is full of good things. This fermented drink made from milk and kefir grains is packed with nutrients and probiotics that can benefit your health in numerous ways. It's a natural probiotic powerhouse. These probiotics are live bacteria and yeasts that are good for you, especially your digestive system. They help keep your gut healthy. This means it can help your digestion and boost your immune system. By maintaining a healthy balance of gut bacteria, kefir can improve digestion and help prevent infections. Some people say kefir helps lower blood pressure and cholesterol. Regular consumption of kefir may contribute to heart health by reducing these risk factors. It might even help people who can't drink regular milk because of lactose. Kefir is low in lactose, making it easier to digest for those with lactose intolerance. Remember though, kefir is not a medicine. While it has many potential health benefits, it should not replace any prescribed treatments or medications. It's a delicious drink with potential health benefits. Enjoy it as part of a balanced diet to support your overall well-being. Always talk to a doctor about any health concerns. They can provide personalized advice based on your individual health needs and conditions. Kefir can be made with different types of milk. Cow's milk is the most common, but you can also use goat's milk, sheep's milk, or even coconut milk. Each milk gives the kefir a slightly different flavor and texture. Experiment and find your favorite. Making kefir at home is easy and fun. I'll tell you how in our next adventure. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon.